A banner exchange is a type of online advertising program in which website owners display banners on their sites in exchange for credits, which can then be used to display their own banners on other sites in the network. The goal of banner exchanges is to help website owners increase the visibility and traffic to their sites by displaying their banners on a network of other sites. There are several types of banner exchanges, each with its own unique features and benefits. Here are a few of the most common types of banner exchanges. Traditional banner exchange. In a traditional banner exchange, website owners display banners on their sites in exchange for credits. These credits can then be used to display their own banners on other sites in the network. Traditional banner exchanges are often free to join, but they may require users to meet certain criteria, such as a minimum amount of traffic or a certain number of banner impressions per month. Pay-per-click banner exchange. In a pay-per-click banner exchange, website owners pay for each click on their banner, rather than earning credits. This type of banner exchange can be a good option for website owners who want to focus on driving targeted traffic to their sites. Targeted banner exchange. In a targeted banner exchange, website owners can select specific categories or keywords that they want their banners to be displayed alongside. This can help ensure that their banners are seen by a relevant audience. There are several benefits to using banner exchanges as a form of online advertising. Some of the main benefits include cost effectiveness. Banner exchanges can be a cost-effective way to advertise, as website owners only pay for the clicks or impressions they receive. Targeted advertising. Many banner exchanges allow website owners to target their banners to specific categories or keywords, which can help ensure that their ads are seen by a relevant audience. Increased visibility. By displaying their banners on a network of other sites, website owners can increase the visibility and traffic to their own sites. There are also some potential drawbacks to using banner exchanges. Some of the main drawbacks include decreased ad effectiveness. Some studies have found that banner ads tend to have lower click-through rates compared to other forms of online advertising, such as search ads or social media ads. This can make it more difficult to generate a return on investment from banner exchanges. Limited control. Website owners have limited control over where their banners are displayed in a banner exchange network. This can make it difficult to know where their banners are being shown and to track their effectiveness. Competition. Banner exchanges can be competitive, as website owners are competing for clicks and impressions with other advertisers in the network. Overall, banner exchanges can be a useful tool for website owners looking to increase the visibility and traffic to their sites. However, it is important to carefully consider the pros and cons of using banner exchanges and to track their effectiveness in order to determine whether they are a good fit for your advertising goals.